Do you want to create a video like this by just giving your image? So I have just used this image of mine. Let me show you my image. So this is my image which I used to create this video with voice. I show you with voice as well.
Dude, these days AI is not just for robots.
So for this you need to type in flow in Google and you need to open this labs.google. After opening this you can log in with your Google account or click on create with flow. For this you need to get a script which you can get from any AI. You can get a script of the video from AI. Click on create a new project. Herein you need to click on this option frames to video, or you can select ingredient to video, any one of them. Add an image. You can upload the image from here. Choose landscape or portrait. Click on copy and save. Herein you can simply copy paste your script. So I am getting script from ChatGPT. You can use any other AI chatbot. So I'm getting 30-second script. Copy and paste the script here and click on this create option, and it will create a video for you within a few seconds. You can see 3% and more than that is already done. It is free of cost. It is my free account. I have not got any paid subscription from him. So you can see it has created a beautiful video for me. So let me play this video once.
Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than ever. From personalized recommendations to self-driving cars, AI is
you can download the video from here as well. It is very useful. You can download in original size or you can upscale it. So it is very easy. So I hope friends now you will be able to create your videos, and by using this process it is very useful. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.